Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So as you know, I'm trying to raise my acceptance rate. They sent me $8 for 10 miles. That was the first order. We declined that one. And now they just sent me $5.50 for 2 miles. It's an alcohol pickup right across the street at this little liquor store, BP. So we finna head over there and grab this one. Let's see if we can get 5 orders done and raise this acceptance rate. Nice and easy pickup on this one. The gas station / liquor store had the order ready to go. I took a picture of it. DoorDash wanted a photo of the receipt. Wasn't a receipt on the bag for this one, so we just took a photo of the bag. We got a 3-minute drive to the customer drop-off, and hopefully they're ready to go with that ID. So we get that verification. It seems like the DoorDash ID scanner works pretty well. I haven't had any issues with it. I'm curious to see if that order raised my acceptance rate, because like I said, I did decline one before they sent me that one. My goal is to accept as many as I can without declining without declining no orders, but we know that's asking for too much. We're gonna have to decline something, but the goal is raise my acceptance rate to 50%. Got that first order dropped off. It has been verified. Let's go ahead and confirm that. $5.50. Customer was ready to go. I'm curious to see what they send me next. Say estimated time 2 to 9 minutes. Well, we might have a little wait on that next order. Oh Lord. Now this is an order I'm finna have to decline. For 21 miles, both orders go to the same customer, but oh my God, 40 items at Aldi's? There's no way I can do that. Look at that. They done lost their mind. 40 items at Aldi's, 5 at Dollar General. No thank you. I'm gonna have to decline that. 24%. So that's the first order they sent me. I've been sitting here in the Snooks Ace Hardware parking lot right here next to McDonald's. I was hoping I was gonna get something with a quick pickup and short delivery distance, but they sent me that one. Oh my goodness. I guess I'll be waiting 2 to 9 minutes for my next order. We have declined 2 orders and accepted 1. So we are not doing well as far as accepting more than we decline, but that's just how it goes. I'm willing to move my parameters slightly. I'll take maybe something that I normally wouldn't take, but I can't take no crazy order that's just absolutely not worth my time. That is not going to work. Even though I'm trying to raise my acceptance rate, I can't budge on that. Oh, wow. $8.43 for 16.1 miles. Oh, man. This one of them orders right there. $6.75, 5.5 miles. Oh, man. I don't know about this. Oh, they hurting my feelings right now, man. They really hurted my feelings. Now I'm gonna go ahead and decline that one. Still at 24. Yeah, that one right there ain't gonna work for me. Been out here for 30 minutes. Got 1 order done so far. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. We just got $7 for 2.6 miles. I'm so happy that I declined that last order, because this one is, for one, it's not taking me outside of the zone. For 2, it said Hardee's. Hardee's is right there. I can basically see Hardee's, so that's perfect. Yes, I will definitely much rather do this order right here. I was just about to say that we 30 minutes in and we got $5, but now we got a $7 order, and I'm happy about that. So at least we keeping our wheels rolling, and we ain't finna be sitting for too much longer. Hardee's is right here. We got a pickup time of 4:40. It's not bad, 4:46. So hopefully it'll be ready in a few minutes. But if I'm not mistaken, Hardee's is drive-through pickup. I think I'm gonna try going through the drive-through on this one, guys. Let's see what happens. They don't look busy at all. So let's see if they are going to let me. The Hardee's in my area, they let me do drive-through pickup. I don't usually get a whole lot of orders from that one.
Hi, welcome to Hardee's. May I be using your mobile app today?
No, ma'am. I'm picking up an order for Shay.
All right, you can go ahead and come on inside.
Alrighty. Yep, gotta go on inside. See, it's good to know these things, though. All merchants don't operate the same way. This Hardee's, they want you to come inside. The other one by my closer zone, my preferred zone, they let you go through the drive-thru. Now they have nobody in the drive-thru and nobody on the inside, but I still don't think they're gonna have this order ready. So we're gonna see what's going on, but yeah, they probably ain't got it ready. She say, yeah, you can go ahead, come inside. For a second there, I thought she was gonna say you can go ahead, pull forward. Let's see. So actually the pickup time is right now. But let's see if they running behind with no customers to serve, or if they got it. Yeah, they don't got it all the way together in there yet. I'm not gonna lie. They had 1 person at the counter, 1 person in back. Nobody in the drive-thru, nobody inside the lobby eating, and it still took them an extra 10 minutes to get one milkshake, one drink, one bag of food, and an extra bag. I don't even know what's going on. But listen, this is order number 2. We did go up to 25% acceptance rate, so I'm happy with that. We got a 1.9 mile drive, 5 minutes away, keeping me within the zone. I think I'm gonna go up this way, make a couple turns. Good to go, green light on deck. So I'm not finna complain too much. Now, if they want to send me a decent order right after this one, that would be the best case scenario, because technically so far we have declined 3 orders, or maybe even 4. No, I think we declined 3 orders and accepted 2. So the acceptance rate still going up, but look, we at the 25% mark now, so that means that 1 in every 4 orders have to be taken just for me to stay where I'm at right now. And if I want to really go up, I really need these back-to-back acceptable orders to come through. That's the only way. So I'm crossing my fingers. Here's to hoping. I figured I might as well turn on Uber Eats just in case I get a little period where they don't send me no orders at all. You see, the screen was saying estimated time 2 to 9 minutes. So I figure, hey, if I do encounter one of those stretches of 2 to 9 minutes and I don't get an order, let me just have Uber Eats running. And that way, if nothing else, if I see something over there, low distance, reasonable delivery, I can knock that out, because we are not doing the same thing on DoorDash that we doing with Uber Eats. Uber Eats, my acceptance rate is gonna stay in the single digits. It ain't no getting around it. It ain't no benefits to raising it. But with DoorDash, I think there may situationally be some benefits. I was a strong advocate for cherry picking and have a low acceptance rate, but now things have changed, and all these systems then came to all the different areas, and a lot of areas still got the diamond program, but a lot of areas got the new tier reward system. It's time now to really raise that acceptance rate and do it the smart way. We got quite a bit of food to carry, so we're gonna do it like
Thank
no problem. No problem. I passed the house up. I was like, uh-oh. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, guys, we got it dropped off. Let's go ahead and confirm. We got $7.69. Looks like DoorDash hid 69 cents from us. DoorDash did the 69 on us, y'all. They hit us with the 69. That was a $7 order, and it went up by 69 cents. So I'm happy with that. We had $12, or no, actually no. We might be at 13 bucks. Yeah, we at 13.19, and we 10 minutes away from the 1 hour mark. So I really need another quick order that's ready to go. We'll see what we get. This is DoorDash. It's not something that I normally would take, but it's not an upside down order. It's a Papa John's order. I got my pizza bag right here. We finna go ahead and take that. This is me getting an order and not having to decline one, so I'm happy about that. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. We already heard Papa John's is right there, so we already here. Boom. See if it let us check in. Yep, it let us check in. Bring your pizza bag inside. Take a photo of your pizza bag. Yes, sir. Don't you worry, because I need them pizza orders. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And they got my USB-C cord in there. We verified that you have a pizza bag. No, we're not going to confirm pickup. We're going to check all the boxes on Beth's order. We got a pickup time of 06, so it should be ready in about 5 minutes. It's just one pizza. Papa John's is right over here, so we do not have to travel far. Absolutely lovely order. I'm having much better luck down here in this zone over here. Look at that. They got a Papa John's delivery driver right there. And they got DoorDash orders going out at the same time. Ooh-wee. All right. Well, I guess I might as well run up in here and see what's going on. Even though it say bring your pizza bag inside, we will not be doing that. Look at that driver. He got hella orders. Hella piece. I see that some of them just pull up right in front like that. So now that I know that, I'll be doing that next time. We picking up for Beth. How long they got on these orders? Hello, you got one for Beth? Yes, ma'am. Ooh, thank you. Look at that, order ready to go. Got that pizza. I did not bring my pizza bag inside. I left it in the car. Cause I figure, hey, ain't nobody need to know I'm picking up a pizza. Let me just go grab it. I throw it in the bag when we get in the car. So I know this Papa John's is on point. The pizza was ready 5 minutes earlier than expected. So yeah, we're gonna be doing business. Stop playing with me. We about to pull up now. I'm so happy they sent me this order back to back. Got 2 back-to-back accepts. I think we still at a 25%. I think. So I need this next one to be an accept too. But all things aside, we got 3 orders done in that first hour. We dropped this one off. That's gonna put us at $16 for the first hour. Not great, but the goal is to raise the acceptance rate and get 5 orders done. 2 more to go. Next up, we got $7.10 for 4.1 miles. Listen, I'm happy with that. That's order number 4 right there. Let me go ahead and get a screenshot. It's a gas station pickup. So this is actually my second gas station pickup of the shift. I was finna go straight through the light, but I need to turn this way to go up to Casey's. This is the 3rd order in a row that we will be accepting, so I know my acceptance rate going up on this one. That's perfect. I'm scared though. I'm tempted to pause orders after delivery, because a lot of times when you get a few acceptable orders in a row, they like to hit you with that good old monkey wrench. Man, let's see what Uber Eats got going. $10 for 10 miles. At Little Caesar? Yeah, that's not gonna be an order we taking right there. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Decline. Stop playing with me. We have made $0 on Uber Eats. We had $16 on DoorDash, so I'm cool with it. Matter of fact, we had $17. So we was at 13 and some change, and then we just got $4.88 or whatever it was. That put us at 17, probably almost $18. And then we knock out this little 7-piece that'll put us at 25. And we're gonna need 1 more order. They got low distance delivery. Go ahead and check in, mark the arrive. If I had to guess, I think the customer probably ordered some pizza. Casey is one of those gas stations where they got a kitchen and they be cooking pizzas. And I'm not gonna lie, they pizzas is actually pretty good. When it comes to gas station pizzas, you gotta be careful. I'm just you gotta be careful. But Casey's is one of those places where they a gas station first, got a kitchen in the back, but they kitchen is good. Like they got some good ingredients, good merchant order item. I don't know, but it's good though. We picking up a taco pizza, a barbecue chicken pizza. We picking up a DoorDash drive delivery fee on the pizza, a chopped salad, and 2 packets of dressing. The pickup time is 5:17, so this thing should actually be ready. Let's go ahead and see if they got that order for Tara G. But hold up, wait a minute, because I just heard Uber. Let's see what this Uber hitting for. We got $8, 8 miles down in Colleyville. I should take that, but I ain't. We're gonna go see about this order for Tara. Look like she got a couple pieces of salad, and she gonna need that immediately. Yes, sir. Pizza order ready to go. Wouldn't have it any other way. It's like night and day. Once you get that pizza bag verified on DoorDash, man, you really start to get them pizza orders. I'm really mad that I didn't notice that my bag wasn't verified for all of those weeks. And that's probably why my acceptance rate really went down to the level that it did, the single digits. And I had just accepted. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna be a single digit dasher, and that's the way it's gotta be. But I had something clicked in my mind. I'm like, wait, I used to get Papa John's orders, Little Caesars orders, Casey's pizza pickups, my pizza. Where's all my pizza orders? So I went into my Dasher preferences, checked. I needed to re-verify my pizza bag. So we went up to Papa John's or Pizza Hut, asked them for a bag, quickly verified it. And now since that point, which was about 3 or 4 days ago, we've been getting pizza orders consistently. It's made a big difference on the amount of orders I see per hour and per night, especially on them Friday, Saturday, Sunday weekends. Because if you a dasher and you've been doing this for a minute, you know them pizza orders go out on the weekend, especially when it's a basketball game, football game, really any kind of game, boxing, any type of sports event, them pizza orders go up. Let's go ahead and get this one dropped off, and hopefully, I'm praying that they send me order number 5, keep me alive, and keep my acceptance rate going up and not declining and going down. Thank you for being here with me. Do me a small favor, hit that like button and that subscribe button, guys. Taking a little time, it's moving. Let's go ahead and screenshot that. We got $7.10, $5.50 on the tip. We'll be throwing up a screenshot right there. Let's go ahead and navigate ourselves back to Papa John's, wherever that might be. Okay, we only a mile away. I guess that ain't too bad. We are an hour and 20 minutes into the shift. My dash is actually about to end in exactly 5 minutes. So if they want to send me an order real quick that I can knock out order number 5, keep me alive. But I ain't tripping because I do got another dash scheduled right after this one. It's kind of tricky because when you at that last 5 minutes, they try to play you because they try to make you feel like your dash gonna end. You're not gonna get another order, not gonna get back in. But they'll send you a long distance order when your dash about to end, just so you be like, oh, well, hey, it's about to end. I might as well take this order, even if it's going a million miles away. And I don't know. So I didn't pause it. We're going to see what happened. Let me check my AR real quick, though, while I'm going around this turn. Right? While I'm going around a turn, let me check my AR. Rate, we are at a 26%, guys. Oh my goodness. We are literally at 26. Let's go. All right, one more order. We'll get to 27, and that'll be the end of that. We'll make our little $25. All right, so we made it all the way back to Hardee's. We sitting right over here now. I didn't get an order, and the time was 5:32. It's 5:33 now. Well, looks like I spoke too soon. We got $9.25 for 3.3 miles, and it's a shopping order at Snooks. I am gonna be taking this because it's only a few items, and I'm gonna be able to find them. It's at Snooks. Great miles to money ratio. This is perfect right here. It's going down to the next zone, but you know what? It's cool. It is what it is. This is order number 5. This is what I was looking for. Let's freaking go. Snooks is right behind me. So all we gotta do is pull up out of this parking spot. Yep, drive north. And we gonna be at Snooks. We gotta grab some cottonelle and whatever else it said. This is perfect. Order number 5. Let's freaking go. DoorDash is actually making it happen. I am actually surprised. This is the 3rd order in a row that I have accepted. It started off a little rocky, but we actually made it to 5 orders. And this order is gonna actually put us at, you know, close to $34.50 for this hour and a half that we've been out. Not too bad. Let's see how quickly we can find these items up in Snooks, and then let's head to the drop-off. Oh yeah, cottonelle, Pillsbury, icing, cinnamon rolls. What? Cinnamon rolls again? Aisle 3, dairy number 1, and aisle 11. This is easy shopping, guys. I'm about to have this knocked out in less than 5 minutes. Easy shopping. We got all 4 or 5 items shopped really quick. We did have to substitute 1 item because the other cinnamon rolls they was looking for, they didn't have them in stock. So we got them another case of the Pillsbury, and we got them that cottonelle and everything else. GPS say that we got a pretty close drive on this one. I'm about to check this Uber, see what we working with. We got a 3-mile drive, yes sir. $6 for 12 miles at Chick-fil-A. It's crazy. It's absolutely. All my orders today have been hand to me orders. We pulling up to the final destination of this delivery shift today. You know, the customer say he gonna be in this car right here, so let's see if they is. Or maybe they was just letting me know that's where the house is at. Either and this is the house, so I'm finna say that that's front porch. I ain't finna be waiting all day. Let you know that right now. And plus I don't see nobody walking out either. Somebody in this gray Charger? Nope, I don't see nobody in the gray Charger, so I'm sitting at the dual. Let's go ahead and confirm this delivery. $9.25 stays $9.25. We got a $4.25 base pay coming out of Snooks, so I definitely will be remembering that. That way, if I get any shopping orders over there, I can know they got that high base pay, and I can use that to estimate how much the tip actually is. And you know, as long as the item count low like that, I'll go ahead and knock it out, because a $5 tip on a low mileage delivery with a low item count, that's a good order right there. And Snooks ain't that bad. You know, they not as quick with the checkout as Walmart. You know, they not as quick as Target. But at the same time, as long as the item count is low, you can get it knocked out quick. It should be an easy, profitable order. So let's go ahead and quickly unpause this so we can see. We are at $9.25 for this dash. We made $25 for the last dash. So that gives us a total of $34 and actually 75 cents. So not too bad for a little less than 2 hours. We were out for an hour and 55 minutes. So literally a little bit less than 2 hours, but not bad though. We raised our acceptance rate. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it up on the screen right now. Boop. This is our current acceptance rate. We are sitting at a 26%. And that's kind of crazy after accepting those last 3 orders in a row back to back. But I kind of figured that was gonna happen, because once you get to 25%, you gotta figure that's 1/4 of the way to 100%. So 1 in every 4 orders will keep you right there. You really got to be doing more than 1 in every 4 orders, and we definitely declined 3 or 4 orders at the beginning of this shift. So you know what, it is what it is. We at a 26 right now. I'm pausing my dash. I'm about to head and get me something to eat. If you enjoyed this video and you are excited to see me raise that acceptance rate, go ahead and do me a favor. Let me know what your acceptance rate is in the comments below. And also, check out these other videos of me complaining when I do DoorDash orders and me not trying to raise my acceptance rate, because you might find those enjoyable. I'll see you next time.